Hey my loves, it is officially spooky season and welcome back to Shia's Marvels. Today for starters, we are going to prep our face with I Do skincare. Now is the creation of the spider web. So you take your eyeliner and you create lines against the corner of your eye, and to help attach them you create a curved line attaching each one. Now it's common to make mistakes, so you could either fix it with a concealer or you could fix it with a Q-tip and a makeup eye remover and just keep going over it as well. Now this part is optional. If you want to attach a spider to the spider web, make one long line and draw a circle and pick a matching eyeshadow back to your eye look and make that the body of the spider. And then shade the corners, and then you can add the legs on each side just by making curved lines again. And you could add eyes if you want by creating two little dots in the center. That's all my love. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye chica.